My name is SM Huang, the manager of YI Zuo company, which is also known as the Kens. Our company produced garden watering tools such as timers, flow meters, nozzle, hose, connector and sprinklers. New product development is the long-term strategy of our company, which is offer the extensive value for the customers and the sustains Kens as a long-term going concern. In this year, we highlight foreign items to your attention. First one is the full program timer and the volume control meters. And then is the heavy-duty nozzle. In case of the full program meters, it is an innovative device for customer convenience to set up 4 different programs of water plant in one timer in one day. And you can drop any of the 4 programs in the settings. The second one is the volume control meters. With brand new products, this not only indicates the flow rate and the flow volumes, but also stop the water supply by the preset volume of water consumptions. As the hose and nozzle, you can see we have very solid designs for its heavy-duty use. Please refer to our website www.kanz.com.taiwan and contact us through the email in the website. We welcome customers OEM and ODM job. Thank you for your watching.